Hey, Miss Baxter, how you doing? Larry Johnson. I'm right here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the beautiful 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. A phenomenal vehicle. You made a great choice. This is a third row vehicle, alloy wheels. If you look, no blind spot. You got plenty of window right here to be able to see. Look inside. You do have a leather interior on this particular vehicle. It is a bench row seat for the second row. If you look up front here on the steering wheel, we've got volume control for your AM, FM, XM radio. Bluetooth. I'll pair your phone before you leave the lot. Also, I've got cruise control. I've got a new feature for 2014, driver selectable steering. Also, we got blind spot detection center on the mirrors. Storage, AM, FM radio with an XM also, XM free for 90 days. Also, you got Blue Link, Home Link, dual air controls. You got heated seats, you got power seats, you got blue auxiliary iPod USB. Yes, ma'am, we've got a lot of great features in this vehicle. We have power driver's seat, we have hill assist, we got traction control. A lot of those features that are great for this vehicle. You'll love it. Give me a call right here at Tameron Hyundai. Larry Johnson, my name, 380-6250. I thank you so much for your inquiry. One of the things we'll give you also is America's Best Warranty. You'll love that 5-year, 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 5-year unlimited roadside assistance, and a 10-year unlimited powertrain warranty. Also, that 10-year, we turn it to 20. 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty. So give me a call, Larry Johnson, Tameron Hyundai, 380-6250. Thank you so much, and listen for your call.